Hello everyone, so today we're headed for Manila to attend AirAsia's super app launching at Mall of Asia. So that's us landing at the Ninoy Aquino International Airport, and then we're checking in at Hotel 101 Manila, just very close to the Mall of Asia. First, let's insert a card. All right. So this is our room, guys. Look at that. So if you guys can see, that's the Mall of Asia over there, just a couple of blocks away. And we're surrounded by high-rise residential buildings. So my room has two beds. One is a single bed and the other one is a double bed. We have a big TV over here. We got remotes, a trash can, and of course, look at that. We have a microwave oven. And what's this? A cupboard. Right. So we have another cabinet over here. Plenty of space for storage and stuff. We have our own sink over here, so this is really nice. We have our free water. We have coffee and tea with sugar, and we have a free chocolate cake. Welcome to Hotel 101 Manila. Thank you very much. Over here, let's check out the cabinet. We have our flashlight over here, right? Yes, this is a flashlight. Okay, you got plenty of space for storage. On the other side, we have our hangers, we have our bathrobe, we have our safe, and we have our slippers, and a drawer. And we have a mini ref. Very nice. So over here we have our bedside tables. We've got a menu for room service. So a lot of choices. We have lechon kawale, salmon, chicken barbecue, Salisbury steak, beverages, drinks, desserts. Very nice. The phone is over here with the light. So we have, all right, so the switch is over here. Get the phone over here. We got the Bible over here. We got more space here. And of course, we have our very own workspace over here. So if you're here to do business, or if you just want to finish that article that you've been working on, perfect spot for that. So by the way, thank you very much AirAsia for this room accommodation and for this special gift box. Thank you very much. Look at that, very nice. So we have our AC over here. We still have to turn it on. Let's see. All right. Woo. Very cool. We have a kettle today, so I forgot to mention that. So let's check out the bathroom. Let's see. Wow. Look at that. We have plenty of towels, face towels. We've got another bathrobe over here. We've got a toilet with a bidet. Always nice. Got a full set of bathroom essentials, comb. We've got shaving. We've got a shaving kit. Yeah, vanity kit, a shaving kit, two toothbrushes. Right. We got a pre-installed hair dryer over here, and the bathroom. The shower looks really nice. We got the sink over here. We've got hand dryer. What is this? Hand dryer. Okay. Hair dryer. Sorry, hair dryer. We've got outlets over here. Right. So we got it's a line where you can hang your clothes. A clothes line. Okay. And then we have the shower. We've got shampoo, body wash, soap over here. Perfect. And another towel. So yeah, overall this is looking like a very nice accommodation here in Manila, just a couple of blocks away from the Mall of Asia complex. So yeah, from the airport it wasn't very long, about 20 minutes tops, and it's a Friday. So yeah, it's very accessible. So below you can see the swimming pool over there. Nice, right? So there's the jacuzzi and the pool. Look at that. So while waiting for the others, I'm gonna eat this chocolate cake and then get ready for our trip to Binondo and then later on to BGC. I'm so excited, can't wait. Let's go. It's sexy. Maki. So we really had fun in Binondo and BGC, and now we're getting ready for breakfast and then we're heading to the AirAsia event.
Flight. Once again, thank you for choosing to fly with AirAsia Super App. I hope you're all as excited as I am to be here at our AirAsia Super App. Explore your Wayfair. So today, the AirAsia Super App,
Asia's best travel booking app at the World Travel Awards.
So after the event, we're heading back to the BGC for dinner. Guys, hello. You know what? Tanaw mo kokle. That's big. Tingkwang Kylie.
Gamay lagi siya, no?
Nice.
Gamay pero tambo ko, no? Kini kay ko slender.
And then we dropped by the famous Burgos for a few drinks before we finally called it a night. Early the next morning, we were back at the airport for our flight back to Cebu City. So thank you very much AirAsia for this wonderful experience. Till next time, bye.